Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can remove the white background from photos and images on Canva. So let us get started. So head over to your project or design on Canva, and as you can see I added an image or photo like that one here from the Canva library with a white background. And as you can see guys, for the contrast I also added a brown or a dark brown background here so that you may see that white background. And basically guys, what you will need to do is simply left click onto your photo or image with the white background and use the background removal or removing tool here on Canva. You will find it here at the top. However guys, bear in mind that you can use it only with a premium subscription here on or premium membership here on Canva. You will see it by that crown icon next to it. So if that's the case guys, simply click into it, wait for the background removing to be applied, and as you can see the white background, or basically any background of the given image or photo, doesn't have to be white of course, has been removed successfully, so that you may now move that image or photo here on your other background. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.